Ready? Start. The judgment passed by the trial court was challenged before the High Court by filing Criminal Appeal number 622 of 2009. Stop. As the appellant Rajesh Shukla died on 19/2/2016, therefore, his appeal was dismissed as abated, while the appeal of the appellant Vasudev Shukla has been dismissed, confirming the judgment of trial court in toto. Stop. Para. Sri H.K. Chaturvedi, learned counsel appearing for the appellant, has argued with vehemence that as per the case of prosecution itself, there was no apprehension of abscondment of appellant. Stop. From the statement of prosecution witnesses, it is clear that deceased co-accused Rajesh Shukla was allegedly said to be hiding himself in the house of Jhallu Kachi and not the appellant. Stop. The prosecution witnesses have not named and seen the appellant firing on them, having intention and knowledge to commit the murder. Stop. Para. It is further urged that as per the testimony of the witnesses, it is clear that they had not seen firing any of the accused on police party. Stop. It is said the object of the fire was towards hill and not toward the accused persons, as is apparent from the statement of H.C. Akbar Singh Gaur, PW5. Stop. In such circumstances, the prosecution has failed to prove the intention and knowledge to commit an act which may amounting to commission of an offence attempt to murder. Stop. Para. In absence thereto, the conviction of the appellant for an offence under section 307/34 of IPC is contrary to the settled proposition of law. Stop. In support of his contention, reliance has been placed on the judgment of this court in the case of Parsuram Pandey and others versus State of Bihar, AIR 2004 SC 5068. Stop. It is further urged that the right barrel of 12-bore gun seized from appellant was cut and shot, making it impossible to fire from this weapon, and the empty cartridges have not been fired from left barrel, as apparent from FSL report Exhibit P17A. Stop. Para. Therefore, the offence under section 27 of the Arms Act has not been made out. Stop. Even assuming that the offence under section 25 1BA is made out, sentence as awarded by the trial court is 2 years, which the appellant has already served as per the report available on record. Stop. Therefore, while setting aside the conviction and the sentence for an offence under sections 307/34 and 27 Arms Act, appellant may be directed to be released. Stop. Para. After hearing learned counsel for the parties, first of all, it is required to be seen what are the ingredients to prove an offence under section 307 of IPC. Stop. On perusal of the provisions, it is apparent that whoever does an act, with intention or knowledge, which may cause death, and in furtherance to the said intention and knowledge, he was doing an act towards it. Stop. However, it is required to be seen by the evidence brought on record by the prosecution whether the ingredients to prove, the case of prosecution beyond reasonable doubt, the charge under section 307/34 IPC have been established.